Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to fix problems where of course your display is frozen. Do note it's not happening to this, but however, I'm just going to show you what we do whenever your display is frozen. It's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It works for the iPhone 17s or any iPhone, all right? So there might be a case where your device is frozen up, means completely unresponsive. It cannot respond to touch, or it will not respond to touch. No matter what you do, try to interface, it will not interface. If you press the buttons, nothing will help, as the device will be totally locked up. All right, so in those cases, there's an option when your device is frozen to fix it. Please note, as I said, it's not happening to this. I'm simply demonstrating. All right, so usually when the device is frozen, you'll get nothing out of the display completely. All right, so in order to recover a frozen device or fix it, it's very easy. And what you're gonna do, guys, is from the frozen device, I'm just simply reproducing what to do. All right, so remember mine is not frozen, but yours most likely is. You're gonna hit volume up, volume down, and you're gonna press and hold power. All right, so the thing is that you're gonna cause what we call a forced restart. And usually we use hardware buttons because when the display becomes unresponsive, the only other way to get it to respond again is to restart the operating system. But of course you can't go to turn it off or restart it, and that won't work. So therefore you have to use the hardware buttons. All right, so remember you're going to hit volume up for 2 seconds, volume down for 2 seconds when the device is frozen, and hold power. All right, so go ahead. You might need to do this more than once, but at least try 3 times or so. So just simply hit so we're going to hit volume up, volume down, and hit and hold power. All right, you're going to press and hold. You might see the power button or you might not see the power button, so simply go ahead and hold down the power button and keep holding. Do not let go. All right, as soon as you see the Apple logo, go ahead and let go. Now what I've just done is to do a force restart, and this is helpful in cases where the normal inputs are not working and you can force restart the device. By restarting the device, the systems will be refreshed, and most likely what was causing the device to hang up will be gone. All right, so there we go. I'm going to unlock. All right, so there you go. And the device should be responsive again, and you should be good in terms of using your device. All right, so you can always do that in cases where that happens to your iPhone. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Do hope it was useful. Bye.